So you put a cutting tool, you know, inside the chuck. Be sure that the chuck is, you know, hardly secure, and check if you run it. So take a low speed and check if it runs, you know, slowly. So I will put, you know, pretty low speed on this one. Okay. So the next thing that you have to do, you know, you don't know really how this face is parallel, you know, to the chuck. So you have to, you know, to properly check if, you know, this face is parallel to the chuck. So I will put a gauge and check it to be sure that you know, the tool holder is parallel to the, you know, to the chuck, and then I will make the milling operation. So I will do it off camera and share you the result with you.
Pour l'assurance, alors qu'est-ce que...
So now it's fine. So then the next step, so you need to use some oil. You know, it's a pretty conventional machine, and so I will touch the tool with the surface to machine. Then I will put, you know, the zero, you know, on this indicator, and we'll take very small amounts of, you know, of milling. And that you can do also is to secure, you know, this tool holder. So it's a good way to avoid any kind of vibration. So this one cannot move. You can only move this way and this way. So let's do the zero. I guess you got the idea about that. I will finish machining the surface, and I will show you the results after that. So I finished the milling, as you can see here. So there is a small mark, but it's only the mark of the tool. So as you can see, when you have a small machining operation on your lathe, you can do it on lathe. So I need to make some deburring operation and to chamfer the corner, and it will be okay. So thanks for watching, and I will see you what I will do with this piece of metal.